everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at your yard and felt like it's missing something? A touch of nature, a sense of tranquility, or maybe just a lot less work? Well, today we're diving into a landscape design trend that can deliver all of that and more. The river rock garden. So what exactly is a river rock garden? At its core, it's a landscaping feature that uses smooth, water-tumbled rocks or river rocks to create a visually appealing, low-maintenance part of your outdoor space. These aren't just any rocks. Their rounded, polished surfaces give them a unique, natural look that can mimic everything from a dry riverbed to a tranquil Zen garden. The benefits of a river rock garden are truly a game-changer for any homeowner. First, they are incredibly low maintenance. Say goodbye to constant mowing, weeding, and watering in these areas. The rocks act as a natural weed barrier, and once they're in place, they require very little upkeep. This also makes them a fantastic, eco-friendly choice for xeriscaping, which is a landscaping method designed to reduce or eliminate the need for irrigation. By replacing thirsty lawns with a beautiful rock feature, you can significantly conserve water. River rocks also provide excellent drainage, helping to prevent soil erosion and manage water runoff in your yard, which is a huge bonus. Plus, their unique texture and color add a wonderful contrast to the greens of your plants, creating a stunning visual effect that elevates your entire garden. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I make it look beautiful and not just like a pile of rocks? The key is in the design and the details. Start by planning the shape of your rock bed. Consider creating a winding, natural-looking path or a curved planting bed that flows with the existing contours of your yard. The choice of rock is also crucial. You can use a single type of rock for a uniform look or mix different sizes and colors for a more dynamic, textured feel. Integrating plants is essential. Think about using drought-tolerant species like succulents, grasses, or flowering perennials that thrive in well-drained soil. Boulders can act as focal points, giving the space a sense of scale and permanence. And finally, don't forget about adding small decorative elements, such as a water feature, a small statue, or even some unique lighting to make your river rock garden truly unique and captivating. Ready to get inspired? Let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 best river rock garden design ideas to spark your creativity. One, the functional and beautiful pathway. River rocks aren't just for beds. They can also be used to create functional and attractive pathways. Here, they're used to line a concrete walkway, preventing soil erosion and adding a decorative touch. The mix of larger rocks and smaller pebbles gives it a rugged, natural look that complements the brick home and green lawn. 2. The forest floor oasis. This final idea demonstrates how river rocks can create a natural, forest-like feel. A winding path of pebbles is bordered by lush ferns and hostas, creating a serene, woodland-inspired escape. The rocks add texture and definition while seamlessly blending into the surrounding greenery, proving that rocks and plants can coexist in perfect harmony. 3. The serene waterscape oasis. This stunning design combines a beautiful in-ground pool with a natural rock waterfall, creating a tranquil oasis. The river rocks line the edges, blending the pool's architecture with the surrounding landscape, complete with lush plantings and a cozy outdoor seating area. It's a perfect example of how to merge a functional space with a natural resort-like feel. 4. The colorful and textured garden. This design shows how river rocks can be used as a canvas for a vibrant mix of plants. The smooth, rounded stones of various colors provide a beautiful backdrop for a collection of blooming plants, ornamental grasses, and evergreen shrubs. It's a perfect idea for a full sun garden where you want both low-maintenance ground cover and a burst of color. 5. The dramatic bouldered landscape. This idea showcases how to use river rocks alongside larger boulders to create a dramatic, tiered landscape. The rocks fill the spaces between the large stones and the plants, creating a natural, flowing transition down a slope. The result is a dynamic and visually impressive garden that feels both grand and harmonious with nature. 6. The dry creek bed. A dry creek bed is a fantastic way to handle water runoff while adding a beautiful design element. This example shows a meandering path of river rocks that mimics a natural stream. The surrounding mulch and plantings enhance the illusion, creating a serene feature that's beautiful year-round and especially useful during heavy rain. 7. The Zen garden. Taking inspiration from traditional Japanese garden design, this example uses a cluster of carefully placed large rocks as a centerpiece. The surrounding small, uniform river pebbles create a calm, meditative space. This design is all about simplicity and balance, proving that a river rock garden can be a peaceful sanctuary. 8. The classic garden border. A simple yet effective idea. This design uses a bed of smooth, light-colored river rocks to create a defined border between a lush lawn and a vibrant plant bed. The gentle curve of the border adds a soft, organic feel, and the rocks provide a clean, elegant foundation for the colorful plants and ornamental grasses. 9. The modernist garden. This innovative split image shows two different ways to use river rocks in a modern, artistic way. On the left, a path of bright white pebbles creates a striking contrast against darker ground cover, while on the right, a mix of light and dark pebbles is used to highlight a collection of succulents and cacti. It demonstrates the versatility of river rocks for creating clean, contemporary designs. 10. The rustic retreat. This design features a grand water feature with large river rocks and a gentle cascade. The stones form the base of a luxurious outdoor living space, complete with a pergola and comfortable seating. It's an inspiring idea for creating a stunning, natural-looking focal point that feels like a private, mountainous retreat. I hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and shown you just how versatile and beautiful a river rock garden can be. Whether you're looking to reduce your water usage, cut down on maintenance, or simply add a stunning new feature to your yard, river rocks offer a sustainable and stylish solution. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Or do you have a unique river rock garden design of your own? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start your own garden transformation, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiration, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!